Here I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then to the languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard, languages, add the keyboard. Here you can see the whole list of the keyboards, your layouts, languages in which you can type on your keyboard, I mean. So let's pick, for example, Greek, and tap done. And now let's try to write something down in Greek language. And as you can see, now I have the Greek layout here on my keyboard. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.